With Maserati looking to establish themselves in the SUV market, the Levante was front and centre at the Geneva Motor Show 2017. Dukascopy TV spoke to Giulio Pastore, the general manager of Maserati Europe, to discuss sales, the Levante and what we can expect to see next.
Levante is the Maserati SUV. It's the first SUV in our history, and it was really important because with the Levante we are able now to cover the 100% of the luxury car market and brand premium market, because still the range like Quattroporte and Ghibli and with the GT Grand Car we were able to cover 50%. With this car now we are able to cover the global luxury car market that worldwide is around 1 million and in euros is around 270,000 cars. It's a typical great SUV because it's specific technicality of the car, because one of the most important things is that they have the lowest center of gravity. That is important to adapt to all the situation. It's really important to have the high suspension as a standard. That's only no other brand maker, only one, offer as a standard that give you the possibility really to drive in a perfect situation in all the conditions. So obviously we want to maintain our DNA, so the most important thing is the perfect combination is a comfort and the luxurious and also the sportiveness of the car. When we launched the car was now in Europe with two different engines. It's a 330, it's a gasoline, it's a petrol, produced in Maranello, the factory, and we have the diesel engine, 275 horsepower with a good and a great level of torque that allow us to have also strong and great performances. Levante performed very well in since the moments of the launch. Last year was the first year in which we start from Europe, so now we are arriving in Australia, so it will be the first full year of Levante. It was important because with this car allow us to achieve the record of 42,000 shipments at worldwide level, really thanks to entering in a new segment. Well, what I mean to own a Maserati, you know, is someone that is looking for something that is different, is exclusive, with a perfect balance between really the elegance of the car, the comfort, and especially again the sportiveness. So is an individual that is looking for this car, and now with SUV is more family-oriented, not for women. It's family-oriented, more usable cars. You can use the men or the women, bring the children to school and do all the activities. So we are open to a wider number of people. Well, honestly speaking, we are so busy because we are just launching the last year's new Quattroporte, the Ghibli. Last year we launched a facelift of the Quattroporte, the new Model 17 of the Ghibli with all the new features of the ADAS system that are so important for the safety and then security. And now we launched Levante to say now we need to consolidate and to work on this range.